Hey, hello everybody. Raymond Noble here. I wanted to do a quick video for a friend, so I figured I'd make it for everybody who I send it to. But this is how to do a Google review. Let me share my screen real quick. Screen one. Okay, so now I'm in here in Google, and I'm gonna type in Nexa home mortgage, and that's gonna pop this screen up here. And you see this little box on the right. This is uh, where the reviews can be done. You just click on the Google reviews and it's going to take you here, and you just click on write a review. And for you, it'll just pop open a box where you can type in your review. And because I have to log in, let me just log in so you see what it looks like. Make me do my 3-step authentication. Yeah, and then click yes, and it's going to go through. And then the box will pop up right here, and this is where you would type the review. If you click on the 5-star, type your review, hit post, you're all done. Pretty simple. Just wanted to do that so that when you are in the process, if you see something that doesn't look the same, give me a call and I will see if I can walk you through it. All right. You have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.